shredded carrots, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, some salt, ground nutmeg, a bit of cream of tartar, ground ginger, ground cloves, a little bit of whisking, not whiskey, whisking, butter, it's the pastry blender cutting up the butter. In case you haven't guessed, this is going to be carrot cake scones.
Cons.
3/4 cup buttermilk. Buttermilk. 1 egg. Almost rings a bell. A bit of vanilla. Yum. Always good to get your hands in the project. Scone, not just any scone. This is a carrot cake scone. Here it is.
Cream cheese frosting.
Magnifico. And this is the reason I get fat. It's the reason of the season that I get fat.